The legend suggests that while we gaze at the stars, true aliens are watching us from the cold, shadowy depths of our oceans. As we plunge deeper, the creatures we encounter become increasingly bizarre and captivating. In 2017, an underwater robot in Norway filmed a clawed alien creature, just as water temperatures unexpectedly soared to 8.1 degrees Celsius near the Arctic. Named Periphila, after a legendary blood-sucking night demon said to perish upon seeing sunrise, this enigmatic creature exemplifies the mysteries lurking beneath the surface. But what of the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of Earth? Why has NASA, once fixated on celestial exploration, turned its attention toward the abyss? The trench harbors giant deep-sea dream sharks, remarkable adaptations for enduring immense pressure, alternative oxygen cycles, and peculiar carbon-cycling nanorobots, each discovery raising questions about the potential for life forms beyond our planet. Could these findings hint at alien life in our own oceans? Let's delve deeper into this enthralling narrative. While humanity has always looked to the stars, the depths of our oceans remain largely uncharted. The extreme pressure at these depths, over 1,000 times that at sea level, has long deterred exploration. Traditional diving methods are inadequate, for human beings can only survive to about 200 meters down the ocean. Beyond that depth, the immense water pressure can be fatal. While some devices can venture deeper than humans can go, reaching the bottom of the sea, especially in places like the Mariana Trench, remains a challenge. It's important to note that it's very cold and dark at these depths, where sunlight cannot penetrate, creating an environment like a pitch-black room. To explore these depths, specialized deep-water lights and cameras are necessary for capturing footage, which is one reason why the deep ocean remains a mystery even in the 21st century. Rumors suggest that giant sea monsters lurk in the cold, dark ocean, undisturbed for centuries. Their enormous size and fearsome faces, complete with terrifying teeth, could be linked to legends like that of the Loch Ness Monster. But these creatures typically stay in deeper waters, far from human reach. However, recent advancements in technology, such as remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and submersibles, are finally allowing us to unlock these underwater mysteries. For example, the DSV Alvin, a deep-sea submersible, has made significant discoveries since its launch in the 1960s, including the infamous hydrothermal vents that host life forms defying our understanding of biology. In 2021, the Japan Agency for Marine Earth Science and Technology, JAMSTEC, finally captured footage of the legendary abyssal dream shark at a depth of 2,091 meters off the coast of Shizuoka Bay. For centuries, fishermen off the Izu coast have whispered about a charming dream shark in the southern seas, as if a spell suddenly echoed from the abyss. Whenever storms raged and waves crashed, the call of the dream shark calmed people, making them forget danger. Even the strongest old captains would tear up upon hearing it, calmly leaving the deck and plunging into the abyss, unable to hear the shouts behind them or heed their families' pleas. Perhaps it was some kind of deep-sea shark. Sharks are usually massive cartilaginous fish, and cartilage helps them adapt to deep-sea pressure. When Japanese marine experts began researching the Izu offshore in the 1980s, they believed that the trench to the south of Izu was like a sister to Japan's tallest peak, Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is a volcano formed by the violent squeezing of tectonic plates, resulting from the intense tearing of the Philippine Sea Plate and the Eurasian Plate. Beneath it lies the rich and pleasant Shizuoka Bay, followed by the unpredictable Suruga Trench, which averages over 2,000 meters deep. Like Mount Fuji, it appears calm, and beautiful, but it is, in fact, a violent geological fault line. Ancient Izu fishermen faced sudden storms here, just as the ancestors of Japan encountered the sudden eruption of Mount Fuji. The contrast between calm and fury led to the psychological development of the dream shark legend. In 2013, Japanese experts even meticulously produced a documentary titled The Kingdom of the Mysterious Giant Sharks to document their research in the Suruga Trench, discovering stories of at least 6 types of giant deep-sea sharks. However, something didn't add up. The legendary abyssal dream shark is not a shark at all. In the Edo period, someone caught a dream shark measuring 3 meters long, covered in scales with a smooth, scaleless head like a mushroom and small, deep-set eyes. Sharks don't have scales, nor do they have mushroom-shaped heads. Experts were puzzled. According to fishermen, was the so-called dream shark a type of hard-bodied fish, 3 meters long, existing below 2,000 meters? How could that be? At the time, scientific understanding posited that hard-bodied fish over 1 meter long could not survive at depths of 2,000 meters due to excessive pressure. For example, Japanese experts had conducted an experiment showing that even thick steel balls collapsed at 200 meters underwater. So, large, hard-bodied fish could not exist in the deep sea, where most creatures are soft-bodied or cartilaginous, allowing them to maintain an 80% water content to balance pressure instead of relying on complex hard bones. As research advanced, scientists unearthed the Mariana snailfish, thriving at depths exceeding 6,000 meters, affirming that large bony fish can indeed inhabit such extreme conditions. This breakthrough transformed perceptions of marine life, suggesting that perhaps in the dark recesses of the ocean, intelligence may flourish in ways we're only beginning to understand. This understanding was used to deny the existence of deep-sea mermaids and intelligent deep-sea life. If deep-sea pressure can crush large, hard-bodied fish, how could there be complex structures with central brains? However, by the 2020s, experts seem to have new findings. As various countries' submersibles discovered the Mariana Trench at depths of 6,000 to 7,000 meters, Japanese experts could no longer sit idly by. Was it really possible that there were 3-meter-long, giant, hard-bodied fish in the Suruga Trench? They deployed underwater bait and cameras at multiple points in the trench. Finally, at one bait location, 2,091 meters deep, they captured footage that solved the mystery of the legend. Initially, 2 small rat-tailed cod approached the bait, but suddenly, a massive unknown fish arrived, viciously biting a small fish before starting to feast on the bait. Based on the bait cage's size, it was estimated to be over 2 meters long. It seemed that large, complex, hard-bodied fish could indeed exist in the deep sea. The Japanese experts quickly set out to capture one, and after 2 months, they caught a strange fish measuring 2.53 meters, a previously unseen species filled with hard bones, featuring a massive head and shimmering scales. This shattered human understanding of the deep-sea world. Did the deep sea actually harbor such large, hard-bodied fish? This leads to further speculation. If hard-bodied fish and brains exist, could intelligent deep-sea life also be possible? Humanity knows less than 5% of the ocean and less than 0.05% of the deep sea below 2,000 meters. So, what else lies in the depths? When Japanese experts named this new species Narcotes Shonan Maruai, we seem to witness their determination to continue searching for deep-sea monsters. Yokozuna in Japanese is the highest title in sumo wrestling, while sardine refers to the bottom of the marine food chain. Hence, the name suggests that although this creature appears as a giant in the deep sea to humans, it may simply be at the bottom of an unknown deep-sea food chain. Among experienced divers, there's a saying that jellyfish could be considered alien species. This speculation arises from the belief that giant jellyfish inhabit the mysterious depths of the ocean. These ethereal creatures, with their pulsating bodies and mesmerizing movements, seem almost otherworldly, leading to the idea that they are not just part of our planet's ecosystem, but rather representatives of a life form that feels alien to us. This idea stems from several points: anatomy and physiology. Jellyfish have a simple body structure that lacks bones, a brain, and a heart, making them quite different from most familiar Earth organisms. Their translucent, gelatinous bodies and ethereal movements can evoke images of creatures from another planet. Ancient existence. Jellyfish have existed for over 500 million years, surviving multiple mass extinctions. Their longevity and resilience can give them an aura of being from a different time, or even a different world. Bioluminescence. Many jellyfish species exhibit bioluminescence, producing light in a way that resembles science fiction portrayals of alien life. This ability adds to their mystique and makes them seem otherworldly. Behavior and habitat. Jellyfish often inhabit vast ocean depths and can be found in diverse marine environments, sometimes in large swarms. Their elusive nature and the way they drift through water contribute to the perception of them as mysterious beings. As researchers continue to unveil new species and challenge long-standing beliefs about the deep-sea ecosystem, the tantalizing question lingers: what other secrets does the deep ocean hold? With each discovery, we inch closer to understanding not only our planet's mysteries, but potentially the existence of life forms that could rival the very aliens we dream of in the stars. The ocean is a vast, unexplored frontier, and with every dive, we uncover tales that blur the lines between myth and reality.